Wanna give this another shot? Jesus, it'll be fine. Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed. Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? He never listens, and when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich. Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone. Oh gosh. Oh, get it, this fixes everything. Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast. No, you go first. You get your wish. Dragon King. You saw in the morning. Oh man, I should have gone first. So I guess we'll share it. All my men. Wow, so, okay, I'll see you, I just happened to notice the book had nothing on night furies. Is there like another book or a sequel? Maybe a little night fury pamphlet? Whoa, focus, Hiccup! Look, you're not even trying! mortal. This. You just gestured to all of me. Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that? Except for you. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend. Thank you for summing that up. Come on. Oh, come on. It's half of her breastplate. It's okay. Reptile. You need to stop all this. What you just pointed to all of me. That's for scaring me. Well, was it always gonna be this way? 'Cause I couldn't get used to it. So, leaving. We're leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever. Good morning, Mr. Bossy. Till now, nice. This was supposed to be a drill. Do you have to turn it into a game? Don't we always? Fair point. We're dead. Toothless. Down. Gently. Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless. Hey, your dragon just shot at us. Yes, I know, I told him to. What are you looking at? No, yeah, just go. Last blade. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that. Okay, so you're the hero no matter what, and I'm the butthead. Exactly. Shut up, everyone.